Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mod send text messages on Infinix Note 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button, and after just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your internet connection. After check your internet connection, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset network settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if WhatsApp and text messages on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.